Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best cookie cutter set. Here are the top 3 cookie cutter set that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Tmflexe Mouse Cookie Cutter. It is a fun and enjoyable way to make cookies with your kids. It is made from food-grade silicone, and it can be used for other projects, too, like making ice cubes or chocolate molding. This pack of 5 includes one large mouse cookie cutter measuring 3.5 by 2.75, 2 medium mice at 2.25 by 1.5, and 2 small mice at 1.5 by 0.8. This pack includes 5 cookie cutters that can be used with any recipe. These are made of durable plastic, so they won't break or bend when you're cutting out cookies. At number 2. Cookie Cutters Shapes Baking Set. This is a set of 12 cookie cutters shapes for baking. There are 6 different shapes, including heart, round, and a few more. The set includes 2 each of 3 shapes: heart, round, and star. You can use these cookie cutters to make cookies or many other confectionaries. They are made of high-quality stainless steel with a non-stick coating to make it easy to remove the dough from the cutter. At number 1. HULISEN Biscuit Cutter Set. It is a great way to make biscuits and cookies. It includes 3 stainless steel cutters, one for round shapes, one for square shapes, and one for heart-shaped biscuits. These cutters are made of food-grade 304 stainless steel with a mirror polish finish that will not rust or tarnish over time. They are also dishwasher safe. It is made of stainless steel. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.